Thuli Pongolo is getting praised by Mzansi after she handled a situation involving her being photoshopped in a manner that they were not expecting. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Batsabonkosi, Thuli Pongolo, also known as Thuli P, the actress and the DJ, and of course, the social media influencer, is trending on X. And this comes after the picture that she posted that you can see there, Batsabonkosi, on the 20th of January 2025 started trending because a fan noticed that another lady called Mbali posted the same picture 3 days ago. But see what caused this whole commotion on social media. It is the fact that people noticed that Umbali is wearing the same outfit that Thuli wore back in 2025. She's having the same ring on the same hand as Thuli. She's basically posing exactly as Thuli, and she looks, everything in that picture looks seemingly to the one of Yaga Thuli. So people started to raise these concerns on social media, and Thuli was notified of such. Because what do you mean? It looks like Umbali photoshopped Thuli Pongolo's pictures. She used her face and then removed Thuli Pongolo's face there. And this is how Thuli Pongolo responded to this trending issue. For context, someone photoshopped herself on my previous post and posted it as hers. I am not going to repost the content in question because I can imagine the anxiety and embarrassment from people highlighting it to her is already affecting her. I truly feel deeply sorry, sad for her. Please don't make matters worse for her. I am not mad at all. I am actually finding this funny, but a lot of people forwarded the post to me, so I saw an opportunity for us to reflect instead. It's okay. You because that was indeed an ironic response. Mzansi was not expecting that from Utuli because she was photoshopped. So they were expecting her to react some type of a way, but not give that response. But it gets trickier. It gets trickier. Uyazi ke kuleya app emnyama, people do their own research. They researched Basile Nkosi, and then they also found out that Umbali is not actually the Mbali that everyone knows. She took pictures of another lady named Lirato from Instagram and used that Basile Nkosi on that particular picture. She is impersonating Olirato. Bathandi Bomkosi. This is bad. This is bad. Bathandi Bomkosi, this is bad because at this point the big question is, who is Mbali? Is Mbali a she or Mbali is a he? What's happening? Because even this picture is not the Mbali that we thought was the Mbali, but it's Olurato. Yo, I go Ningisham. Let us look at what Trip had to say. I like how she addressed it. A lot of people are going through social media pressure and it's probably causing a lot of embarrassment and anxiety when they get caught. I hope this girl seeks help and takes an online break. I hope her friends sit her down and gently talk to her, a tweet said. We live in an AI world and now people will get over it and get used to it. Who cares really? Everyone's fake anyway these days. Tuli handled it maturely. Another tweet stated. You will never hear them using their platforms to address the corruption in this lousy country, but very quick to write long paragraphs on nonsense. SA has useless celebrities. Social media validation and insecurities are real. The fake persona of being perceived in a certain standard when you can just be yourself. It starts small with Facetune, overly editing yourself, and now Photoshop. You, Webatani Vumkosi, this is indeed a pressing issue because as we are standing now, we don't even know who the real person is behind the Photoshop of Tulipi. And the manner of how she handled it was quite good. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.